Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a Chatterbox, part of liankusangi's OSCP like list. It's to prep for the OSCP, it's a Windows box, and let's just get into this. Okay, so I ran my initial scan, which is an all-port scan, and then I ran every port individually using SC and SV and output that into a file and put that in a directory called nmap. So now we can leave here and let's take a look at the nmap scan. We have SMB, RPC over here, SMB over here. We have this chat system over here. This seems something suspicious. We can take a look at that. And yeah, this is just regular RPC stuff. And yep, let's get into this. So yeah, let's see if we have access to any of these systems first. Let's go with netexec SMB. Let's put our IP in, which is right over here. Oops. And let's do this for anonymous access. So we do have anonymous access. Let's try guest. We also notice that it's Windows 7 Professional. It also mentions that over here. It's 32 bits, so that's something that we should know of. Let's go to anonymous and try shares. Let's see what we can get from this. Nothing on shares. Let's try users. Nothing on users. Let's try RID brute. Nothing over here. RPC client U101074, and let's change this to blank. Does it work? Nope. We also have to do N over here. No. Is this it? Nope. It's fine. I'm not even going to bother going into this more, and we can just leave it at that. Let's check out port 9255. Over here, I'll just put it like this, HTTP 10.10.10. It's at 94 74 9254 9255, and change this to 7. Oh my goodness. 10.10.10 74 9255. Why is it not going there? 10.10 1074. Is there something wrong over here? 9255 and 9256. If I don't get anything over here, we will go to 6 and check it out. Error over here. If I do 5. Strange. Let's try and do site doesn't have a 9255. Every time I do this, it goes to 56. What is up with this? Okay, let's do dir search and try this over here. While this is running, I'm also going to do search. Oh, we found something called a chats over here. Great. And what is this file? Search exploit a chat. So we do have a couple over here. Buffer overflow. We do have directory traversal, but this is for something else. This is probably our way in. Let's take a look at the Python script and see what we have. Exploit. So this is what we have going on in here. And it goes to 9256 at the same time. Let's let this run and finish this. And right when it's finished, we will go and do 6. 5, 6. It just shows error, that's it. I don't see the problem. No worries. So let's collapse this and give this a try already. Let's do cat this. Let's collapse this. And from here, we have to edit this. Nano. We go all the way to the bottom over here. We gotta put in that server's IP address. 10.10.10.74. Great. 10.10.10.74, and then we gotta do all this command. Alright then, so now we can take this, paste it in here, and we need a reverse shell. So from what I remember, this is a 32-bit system. Let's double check this and go cd nmap chatterbox. Yeah, I think it was a 32-bit system. So let's close this and platform Windows. I'm not used to this way, so I'll just do this. Actually, left to right, MSF Venom. This is how I usually do it. So I'll just paste this in here. And I'll also paste this in here, give it 8,000, and change this to 32. Let's see how well it goes. We can also collapse this. Invalid payload, interesting. If that is the case, We can still do this, but the command that we're going to run is going to be a bit different. And the command that we are going to run is going to be rev shells 148080 Windows. You can run this command. Perfect. This is 86 though. I mean, let's just give it a try, why not? Ooh, it's so big. Okay. This is quite a lot of bytes though, but let's just double check how this is going. I mean, it's possible that it works. We'll give it a try. Tested on Windows 7 32-bit. Okay, so it might actually work. Let's do sudo netcat lvpn 8080, which is this on. And to run this command, is there any specific instructions or no? Python 2, poof. And we don't get anything. Let's see if we're able to ping the system. Usually after buffer overflow, the system starts hanging. Nope. So it's still working. We can try it once more. Poof. And we don't get any reach back on 8080. 10, 10, 14 per. So we don't get any thing back on it. What we are going to do now is let's see if GitHub adds any better exploits that we can use. It's called AI chat, a chat exploit. So we do have this TCP exploit. This is also nice. A chat remote buffer overflow on Windows. This seems like a good thing to test out. I don't want to use this. A chat this. I mean, we could try remote buffer overflow. I might try MSF Venom because I haven't done anything like that in a while. Interesting. Let's give this one a try. Just go here and we can go over here. And let's do back and do git clone this. Great. A chat payload. Sure, Shamond plus X echat payload. Oops. Chat payload this our host, which is our host is us, correct? No, it's them. So that host is right over here. L host is us, 10.10.14.14. Port is 8080. Good. Let's collapse this. And let's copy paste this. Perfect. Nano echat exploit. And it says that you will need to copy and paste this over here. So what we can do is remove all of this. Put this here, make a space here. And let's change the server address to 10.10.10.74. Now sudo netcat, and let's run this. Python 2, check the handler. Great, we got our reverse shell. So, but it is not stable. That's why the stupid machine didn't. Great, it's not hanging. Okay, so we got it to reach back. Unfortunately, it's not doing anything else. It's not getting a proper reverse shell. So to get a proper reverse shell, we can do it once more. And from there we will, if we can get one command in, we should get a proper reverse shell. We're going to try to get this command in. Maybe if we do it quick enough. Left, right, sudo netcat, cali, and let's see this work. Oops. Oh, it just turned off immediately. Okay, this turned off as well. So now to get a stable reverse shell, we probably have to do a couple of commands. Let's do MSF Venom. No. Probably gonna have to run something. Let's see what happens. I mean, we can always use the MSF one. I'm not gonna watch a YouTube video on this. Thank you very much. So we are going to collapse this. We're going to do this, and this time we're actually going to, actually no. Let's go back to the this one that we had, and let us copy this command. Let's clear this and paste it in here. for our commands. I want to try whether we could get it to reach back to me. 10, shit. Let me pause the video and get my notes up real quick. Alright, I got my notes up. I just forgot the IP address that I needed. Okay. Sir, util, how do I get a stable shell? If I write stable shell here, there's something I'm forgetting. Power cat. That's the way to do it. Power cat. So before we do this, let's do locate power cat, and we have this. Move this over here. Actually, don't move it. Copy it. Great. Now that we got this here, the way to do this is if we can run this command, which will reach back to us, and run this to connect to us, that would be amazing. Let's see if this would work actually. So first of all, we're going to do this, and in this terminal, we're going to just Python 3m HTB 80. Great. Now let's go back to this command. I actually need to organize this properly. Let's just collapse this and open this somewhere else. Call this ls python 380 cat 3c. Scroll to the top, and let's get all of this. What is the C used for? I mean, will it make a difference if I do this? Okay, let's just see. Let's do 80. This is where it's going to reach out to, and if I do this, sudo netcat 8080 Kali here. Over here we're going to put our IP 10.10.14.14. We can remove all of this. Put 10.10.14.14 and let it run. So it was not able to do it, probably because of the command, how it's like. I'm suggesting we remove this and this and add this. And this. Copy this. All. And you can just, I'll just use this. Nano a chat exploit. Oops. And it didn't reach us. So that's there. Our reverse shell isn't stable. It's not reaching us. Let's try to change the command again. And if we can't get this command to work, oops. Command wget this. I mean, this has to work, no? Nano 36 or CDH nano this. Nope, it didn't even get anything from here. So it goes to show how hard it is to get a stable reverse shell. What other type of ideas can I have? MS Venom command. Is it because I did 64? Did I do 64 before? Nope, it didn't. Let's try MSF Venom. I'm gonna go for this in this scenario. MSF Venom, oh sorry, MSF Console. Come on. Search chat. Perfect. Use 0 options. Set R host 10.10.10.74. Set L host 10.10.14.14 and run. Set payload Windows and if I go to shells over here, you have a couple of options, but I'm gonna go with this one. I'm actually gonna turn this into alright, that's fine. Options, run. What was the payload before? The payload before was this. Set payload this. Options. Okay. How do you do advanced options? all encoders failed to encode. So now if I go to cd chat and do cat chat payload, we have an interpreter payload over here. Okay, if that is the case, if I do our host is 10.10.10.74, 10.10.14.14, 444, collapse this, and from here, handler, let's do 10.10.14.14, options, run this, nano hchat exploit, to if we scroll to the top, 10.10.10.74, correct. Okay, we are not getting any calls back. Oof, so when I run one command, it just stops. cd nmap cat chatterbox. Interesting. I have to think of a way to make this work. Exploit unstable shell. They're all write-ups. This is everywhere. Unstable reverse shell. It's probably not what I'm going to be looking for. Ten 14.14 test. Ooh. Ten 14.14. Let's clear this. Collapse. What's the issue? I think this is the issue. I think all these commands are what's leading to the issue. It's 8080. Copy this. I think the best thing we can do is read this and get an idea of what this payload is doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this one, put it here. Perfect. And I'm going to change this to all the way to this A, all the way up to here. And we can press enter. This is pretty long. Copy, copy. Let's give it a try. How about if I replace payload with something else? Let's try replacing this with this is okay. Ten 1074, 10.10.14.14, 80.80. Go nano. Oof. Python 2 exploit. For the love of God, work. Thank goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me just stretch out. That was annoying. So basically this note that I have here is the type of shells that are actually stable for me, which I wrote over here, which have worked for me in the past. So yeah, that's there. And now, who am I? Oh, freed. Do dir cat auto execute dot bat. What the hell is this? Type auto execute dot bat. Type config dot sys files 40 users, and here we have Alfred. Desktop. There we go. Let's check out documents. Nothing. Let's check out downloads. So we do have something. Exploit. What the hell is this? Let's do a couple of things. Who am I slash priv. Alright, I'm back. My sister came in. So from here, we did who am I priv, who am I slash groups. Okay. MSE install.exe. I've also checked over here. It says local admin privilege escalation right when we write this. In all honesty, this is worth a shot. There's also one more thing I want to try. System info. Hopefully this command runs. Because this is Windows 7, I'm thinking some... What the hell? I have a session open? This whole time a session was open? Session interact 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sessions, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16, oof, that is quite a lot of stuff. And we can probably go all the way here. Locate Windows exploit suggester. Let's leave here and do Windows cd Windows. This Python 3 we can do update. Great. Nano system info.txt. Paste this in here. Nope, wrong one. Just do this. Great. Paste this in here. Database 205. System info. This sometimes takes this takes some time to run. Okay, we can also try this one. If you go left to right, and the command should be the exact same. This one is in Arctic. And update. try this. It's another one to try. Database and system info system. Nope, this is definitely not going to work. This should work, but there's so much updating to do in the script. I mean, logically it makes sense to still try what we found in our search. I just don't want to break the machine. So what we can do over here, I mean, it is this. Let us try this. MS11 0 GitHub right over here. .046. This is where we're going to install it. Let's move downloads ms. Is it installed? Yep. Over here we can run python 3m, do this, and let's get it. Do we have curl installed? Nope. Can we do PowerShell? Give this 2 minutes. Okay, I don't have patience for this. So we'll just run this. Are we able to ping the machine? Yes, we are. Yep, it was 8080. Sudo netcat, and we will run it once more. This doesn't work. I'm probably going to restart the machine and then do this. So let's close this machine and do it again. The reason why I'm doing this is because buffer overflows, it fucks up machines quite a lot. So I'll just pause it till I get the IP ready. Okay, the IP is now up, so we're gonna run this command again. Double check if this is running. Let's do this. And we got it, perfect. CD users, CD Alfred, And let's do surutil command, surutil. And this one right here, 10, 10, 14. And we are trying to get this. And we can just do this. Do we get it? Perfect. We got it. So let's run this. Done. So this doesn't work. It's patched. No worries, bro. I guess we got to fix our stupid Windows exploit suggester. So let's go over here. Actually, let's go to Windows. Let's remove everything here. Sudo remove everything here. Kali. Let's collapse this. And let's collapse this. Windows exploit suggester. Python 3. It's too old. I mean, I can try this one. Okay, so there is this fix. We can do locate again and try, I'm down to try it with this update. Oops, we gotta do system info again now. Nano system info. Database. System info. LXS. Alright, man. This stupid update. Python 2.7. Okay. Windows exploits adjuster. Python 2.7. Okay. And I can do nano system info. Paste. Here we don't have it. That's fine. Just do copy Windows over here. Database 2005 system info. Same bullshit, bro. This is one that we have not tried yet. So if I go out of here, let's do sudo remove Windows exploits adjuster. Git clone. Come on. Let's give this a try. Let's run some commands. Key/list. Nope. PS. CD. Python. Actually, we gotta do copy this to here. Python. What's the command that I found? Okay, this is gonna take some time, I guess. Let's let this run, and until then we can do other enumeration on this. For example, we can get locate WinPs. Let's move this over here. Okay, I'm back, sorry. So we copied this, and we're going to try to get WinPs on here. 10, 10, 14, WinPs, and WinPs like this. So this is working while this is being looked up. And from here we can just run WinPs like this. Holy shit, this is a lot. True. Windows vulnerable search power by this. Windows version not supported. Now it's going through all of this. And we can start here. Nothing. Laughs. Cache. There's some stuff cached. Prompt. PS history. User. What does this mean? Let's close all of this. Okay, we're gonna try this in a bit. Welcome 1 is found for this. Okay. Alfred has all access to this. Check if users can modify trigger at this after repeat every 1 minute forever. Check if you can modify other users scheduled binaries. So I do have this as well. We do have something running on 1900. And there's putty as well. Oof, there's a lot of things for me to look at right now. So we do have access to the administrator stuff. Alright, I don't know where to start. So let's start off with this. Let's check out our results as well. Okay, credential hunting. We're going to check out this. Which is welcome 1, which we found. Okay, so that's done with that. The next thing we want to check out is history, is something that I really wanted to check out. Also putty as well. So let us do this. See if we can find anything. Reg query. So nothing else in here. Okay. So next thing I want to check is PowerShell. Alright, we can't do that. CDC users, oops, users, Alfred, and let's go and do all app data, CD roaming, CD Microsoft, CD Windows, dir, CD PowerShell. Okay. CD administrator, CD desktop, oops, dir. We have access to this. Let me just pause it and confirm. Okay, yeah, we don't have access to this. Alright then, we can go to downloads. We should take a look at all of this then. And we do have something over here as well. What is delete? Alright, nothing over here. We can just remove this. What about that was downloads? We can check documents as well. Nothing. Alright then. So let's does tree work here? App data, CD roaming, CD Microsoft, CD Windows. No. It's taking quite some time. Just go back to WinPiece for a second. And we'll see that we have a lot of Okay, I get that we have access to these folders, but what am I supposed to do? Is there anyone else online or no? They're hunting. Applications and processes. Nope. Where query user, that's the command. Query user. Nope. Query user. So no one else is online except us. So we do have scorecard research. What the hell is this? So we have to do type, which has pretty much nothing. If we go dir cd program files, sorry, netexec smb Alfred welcome one. Wait, how did that go wrong? We forgot the F. And we also forgot this. So we don't have anything, access to anything, but we can try password reuse administrator. Okay, so that was the way in. Let's just use execute and I think this is going to be more in AD attacks, in lateral movement PS execute. Okay, maybe not this. What about if I do pass the hash? I mean, it's right here. Administrator 10 10 10 74 and perfect. Who am I? I now have full control of everything. It's kind of pissing me off at the same time, but I'm very, very tired right now, and I think I should probably sleep. As you can see, it's 1 a.m. Anyways, guys, take care. Hope you guys learned something. And yeah, see you. I just wanted to add that I tried to use the type root command right here, but it said access denied, so I'm just going to do icacless on this. I don't know why it would show me as denied, but dir cd users the administrator dir calculus and from here let's do desktop. We have full access to this, but if we go down and do it again to root.txt, only the administrator has full access to this. So only this user that we are has access to this. I mean, wouldn't I be able to then read it, or I guess I have to give myself read perms. So desktop, sorry, users, cd administrator, or cd desktop, type root.txt. This is denied. So command to give read permission in Windows file terminal. User administrator desktop root.txt. I'll read I mean, there's so much ways to do it now. Who has access, first of all? Administrator user, just him. And I understand this works. And if I go to do net exec u administrator SMB 10.10.10.74 IP welcome one this X who am I Chatterbox administrator. And if I go into type, and just to get a reverse shell, I could just, I'll just do this. How with this? Cancel this. MSF Venom. Let's do all this. Remove all this BS. And let's do X. What is wrong with this? lhost. Verse.exe. And from here we can do Python 3m. Let's use cert util. Ten 14 reverse.exe reverse.exe. Great, we got it over here. So now all we have to do is, what port is this? Sudo netcat 8000 Kali. Let's go here and write reverse.exe. And who am I? There we go. Users, administrator, desktop. Anyways, guys, take care. I'm sure it's going to work now. All right, see ya.